Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a tutorial about the essential equipment for people who are interested in cake decorating and want to work with buttercream, like piping. So let's get started.
If you want to pipe, you will, of course, need piping bags. This is a disposable piping bag. A piping bag is a triangular-shaped plastic bag. This is a reusable piping bag. It is often sold in a set with a coupler that will fit your reusable bag, but you can definitely use disposable bags if you don't want to buy a reusable bag. An offset spatula like one of these, perfect for frosting a cake. The idea behind an offset spatula is that you won't drag your hand or the spatula handle through buttercream after you frost the cake. A rubber spatula, perfect for stirring buttercream and placing it into piping bags. A turntable, a cake decorator's best friend. It helps you pipe borders and lines regularly and also helps you to frost a cake smoothly. Of course you need piping tips. Here are a few of my favorites. A small, medium, and large round piping tip. The small one is often used to write on cakes, the medium one to make centers of flowers, and the large one to make petals and round swirls, although there are lots of other uses for all of these. Star tips. Small, medium, and large open and closed stars. There are so many uses of these tips, anything from borders to flowers to rosettes to swirls to basket weave. Very versatile and necessary to any aspiring piper. These are a few different leaf tips. If you ever pipe flowers, you will want these. Petal tips. These can pipe roses or daisies or several other flowers as well as ruffles. This one might not really be necessary, but it's a basket weave tip. The smooth side makes a great smooth basket weave and the textured side with lines on it. It looks gorgeous, which is why I put it on my essentials list. A grass tip. Pipes great grass or fir. I've even seen it used to pipe tassels. Very useful. So these are a few of my favorite tips, but there will be some piping tips you will need for sure. Most of these tips can be found in a set if you want to buy one of them. If you find other tips essential that aren't on my list, put them in the comments below. Every cake decorator has their own favorites. The good news is that you don't need tons of equipment to learn how to pipe a buttercream cake. Anyone can learn this if they want to. I began learning it at age 32. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more tutorials.